East Sikkim, Zuluk. The Silk Route Tour Plan. The Silk Route of Sikkim is part of an old trade route that came from Lhasa and ends at present-day Tamluk at West Bengal. Famous for its scenic beauty, this Silk Route in Sikkim is now the highest searched tourist destination in India. Here is a short 3 nights and 4 days tour package of the old Silk Route. Day 1. First reach New Jalpaiguri Station or Bagdogra Airport from any part of India. From there, take a car or bus to reach the capital city of Sikkim, Gangtok. The distance of Gangtok from NJP is 125 kilometers and from Bagdogra it is 124 kilometers. It will take 3 to 4 hours to reach Gangtok from NJP or Bagdogra. The cab fare is between Rs 3000 to 5000 depending on the number of seats available. You can take a share cab also. The rate is Rs 400 per person. The bus fare is Rs 200 per person. After reaching Gangtok, stay there overnight. Day 2. On day 2, early in the morning, start for Nathang from Gangtok. The distance of Nathang Valley from Gangtok is 68.2 kilometers and it will take nearly 2.5 hours to reach Nathang from Gangtok by car. On your way, visit some famous places in and around the Silk Route. Somgo Lake. Somgo is a beautiful glacier lake 38 kilometers away from Gangtok, located at an altitude of 12,400 feet. Nathula Pass. It is situated at the Indo-China border. It is 18 km away from Somgo Lake. After that, visit Baba Harbhajan Singh Memorial Temple. Tukla. Located at a height of 12,500 feet above the sea level, it is a beautiful valley of Sikkim that offers a stunning panoramic view of mountain Kanchenjunga and its allied peaks. Old Baba Mandir. The temple is built in the honor of Sepoy Harbhajan Singh. The memorial has been a secret place for years. As per legend, he met with a tragic accident in this area and died. Kupup. It is situated at an altitude of 13,900 feet and is a part of the historical Silk Route. One of the prime attractions of Kupup is the ice hockey field. The other and probably the best place to visit in Kupup is the Elephant Lake. Nathang Valley. This area is being developed as a ski point in Sikkim. Spend a night at the Nathang Valley. Day 3. On the third day, early in the morning, go to visit Lungthang. Lungthang or Dupera is situated at a height of 12,500 feet. The place is the residence of Monal pheasant, Khalis pheasant, snow pheasant and the great red panda. After breakfast, leave for Zuluk. Zuluk is a calm and quiet village located 9,500 feet above the sea level. The place is popular for its natural beauty. The distance of Zuluk from Nathang Valley is 22.9 kilometers and it will take around 1 hour to reach Zuluk from Nathang Valley by car. On your way, visit Thambi Viewpoint. At a height of 10,500 feet, this is a point from where you can get a clear view of the 3-level zigzag roads on the adjoining hills. Spend a night at Zuluk. Day 4. On day 4, go to see sunrise from Thambi Viewpoint. After breakfast, visit Padam Chanan, which is a scenic place covered with dense forests in the old Silk Route. The place is situated at an altitude of 8,000 feet. After visiting Padam Chanan, start your journey towards NJP for departure. Where to stay? Though the places of Silk Route are remote areas, but now there are several homestays available in all places of the famous route. All homestays provide basic facilities and home-cooked food. Charges vary from Rs 1,000 to 1400 per head per day, including food.